Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you prefer the old Adobe Acrobat layouts? Do you want to restore the classic interface with the traditional menus, toolbars, and panel locations? Adobe Acrobat allows many users to switch between the new Acrobat experience and the classic Acrobat interface. If you are more comfortable with the older layouts, you can usually revert back in just a few clicks. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to switch back to classic view in Adobe Acrobat in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open Adobe Acrobat, like open any PDF document or remain on the home screen. Okay, so make sure Acrobat is fully updated before troubleshooting interface issues. So now locate the main menu. On window, click menu, like menu button in the upper left corner of Acrobat. Okay, on Mac, use the view. Okay, so menu in the Mac OS menu bar. So the option location differs between Windows and Mac. Now disable the new Acrobat experience, like Windows, select menu and disable new Acrobat. On Mac, select view and disable new Acrobat. So Acrobat will prompt you to restart Acrobat. This is the primary method Adobe recommends. Okay, you can also restart Acrobat. So when prompted, click restart. Acrobat will close and reopen automatically using the previous interface. So the change doesn't take effect until Acrobat restarts. Verify the classic interface, like after Acrobat reopens, you should notice traditional menus, classic tool locations, older panel arrangements, familiar workflow layouts, and the interface should resemble earlier Acrobat versions. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.